In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on the Strava app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Strava, and you can see what my font size is currently set up. So it's quite small and difficult to read. So in order to make it larger and easier to read, what we can do is go back and then click into settings. And now once we're inside the settings, we want to scroll down and click into display. Once again, once we're in display, scroll down and then tap into font size and style. And now once you're here at the bottom of the page, you've got a slider where it says font size. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. If I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So go have a play around and see where you want to set this slider to. So I suggest keeping it in the right hand side to make it larger. And now from here, just simply go back to the Strava app and the font size should be increased by what you've just set it to.